If you've ever built a Squarespace website, you'll know that the most time-consuming part of the process is optimizing for mobile. We spend a lot of time at the end of a project, once the content's all in place, optimizing it, or taking all this very large content and getting it to fit on a mobile screen. Now, with our tool SquareForge, we have optimized all layouts, all 350 plus layouts, to work on mobile. So you don't need to go through and edit those stylings. It's a massive time saver. So I'm going to show you how you can rapid prototype within Squarespace with all the mobile stylings set up, ready to go. So I'm just opening up SquareForge here. Effectively, it acts as its own website where you can pick from 350 different section designs and mash them together to make your own page layout, which you can then evolve into whatever you like. So matching the brand styles, matching the colors, matching the fonts, all of that. This is just the wireframe. Now, something I want to show you is that all the sections, so I'm just going to look at the content here, every section has been optimized for mobile. So effectively, as I go through here, you'll see all these different layouts that we've created. So there's quite a few just on this page alone. So this is content long, so this is for longer pieces of content. And then when I switch to mobile screens, this has already been mapped out. So this means you don't have to spend so long going through and optimizing your site for mobile. You might need to do a little bit of tidying up based on how much content is in there, but the majority of it is already set out. This saves a tremendous amount of time during the go live process. So once all your content's in place, once the images and text are signed off, once the client's happy with the pages, part of our go live process is going through the mobile stylings on every single site. And this, depending on how many pages there are, can take a very long time. Now, as we've already set these up, you can see here that all the mobile stylings are in place. This cuts down your workload by a lot. So you don't need to go through and check these. You might need to give them a once over, make sure you're happy, but for the most part, they're all set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in a free 15-minute demo of SquareForge, feel free to get in touch with us at squareforge.net.